everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over a back essence. So a back essence is a very classic step in tap dance. If you watch any of the classic movies with tap dance in them, you will probably find them doing back essence at some point. So they're usually done as a swing or in a swing rhythm, and also they have some crossing. So with the back essence, you're going to take your right foot first, okay? And you're going to pick it up and you're going to brush it behind your left. Okay, from here you're going to do a ball change, okay? And then stomp on your right foot. So it's that 4 simple steps. So again, you're going to brush on your right, ball change with your left, and then stomp on your right foot. And now your left foot is ready to go to start a back essence on your left foot. So now you're going to brush on your left, ball change, stomp on your left. And you're just going to continue like this until you choose to stop, pretty much. So starting right foot again, you have brush, ball, change, stomp left side. Again. Good. Say you wanted to pick up the tempo a little bit, so take it a little bit faster. You're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you can hear the swing rhythm. It becomes very fluid and continuous. The noises come together, and it goes and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So try that again with me at that quicker tempo. Here we go. Swing rhythm. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. So say you want to do it faster. You can do it even faster. Try that with me now. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So the main thing you want to think about, you want to cross behind you with that brush, then that ball change, crossing behind, and then stomping on your right foot again. You want to keep it nice and light, especially if you're going to take the tempo up. Okay, so nice, light, quick steps. All right, that was the back essence. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.